Hello everyone, this is Desmond. In this video, I'm going to show you the landing page that I created to promote DLC, and by the end of this video, I'm going to share it with you so that you can have your own copy of the landing page itself for you to promote our Dollar Learning Club. Okay, so without much ado, let me show you what I've done. So basically, I created a very simple Facebook post to attract people to come to my link, and when they are curious to know what is it all about, having to have $1 to invest in themselves. So basically, they will click this link, and you actually go to the landing page. So this is the landing page which I created in the simplest form. Okay, right. Summarizing the key learning points or the key trainings that Nick is going to cover for the Dollar Learning Club in the initial month for $1. So, and what I have made use of is actually the finger photo, which each of you individually should have by now. If not, please let myself or Nick know so that we can create one for you. Okay, so and there's a sign up button here. So basically, once you attract your prospects coming to here, they just need to click sign up button here, and you will actually lead to the Dollar Learning Club sign up page. Okay, so there's two ways that you can download the landing page itself. So one, you can click on the link below this video, right? And the other alternative is to go to my 18Funnels resource page. Okay, this is the 18Funnels resource page, resources at .18funnels.com. Once you are here, you just click on DLC, and you will actually see this button which I created. So just click, and then it will actually lead you to the template of the landing page. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, once it's loaded up, the first thing you have to do is actually to save it as your copy. All right. Okay. Let's wait for it. Okay, so now it has been fully loaded, right? So click save. Save it any name you want. So in this case, let me just do a sample. Maybe just call it DLC landing page. Okay, right. Okay, once it's saved, the template is actually in your account already. So once that's done, there's two key things that you need to change here, right? Okay, before you change, let me show you the mobile version as well. So I already aligned all the things, the format for you. So the only two things that you need to change is actually the finger photo here, as well as the affiliate link at this sign up button, sign up now button, right? Okay, let's go back to the desktop, right? So how do you actually change the image? Just click on the image, right click. You see the change image here, click on it, right? So once this thing loaded up, you should see the image here. I mean, if your image is not here, do click and upload. Find it in your local desktop itself and upload it to here. Once you upload it, you select it, right? For example, you select, I'll select myself again, okay? Click confirm, and you will be replacing my photo here, right? Okay, so that you reflect your face rather than my face. Okay, next you actually you need to update the affiliate link here. Okay, so you right click and select action, right? Once selecting action, make sure you select this web link. Okay, sorry. Okay, once you right click on action, you actually see this affiliate link. This is my affiliate link. So you have to find your affiliate link and get it replaced. Please remember to replace it. If not, whoever sign up on this page is going to be my leads. Okay, so where do you find your affiliate link? So once you are in the Dollar Learning Club and at your affiliate link page, right, go to the last Dollar Learning Club. This is the link that you should copy, right? So once you copy this link, you go back to this sign up button again, click on action, you replace this URL, okay, with your affiliate link. Remember that. Once it's done, just click OK, and it's done. And then remember to save the changes, right? Okay, so once this is done, you can actually do a preview, right? And then click on sign up now, and you will actually lead to the sign up page or the membership subscription sign up page. Okay, so hope this helps, and do give a like to my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be informed of the next video. Thank you.